Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a kangaroo with a baby kangaroo in the pouch. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that like button down below and the subscribe button as well, so that you can get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you want to request something for me to draw, let me know in the comments below or connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So then let's get started. there you go. This is the final touches and this is how it looks like. It is a cartoon kangaroo, so I really hope you like it. And I did draw a real kangaroo before as well. So then if you want to buy products with this on my Redbubble shop, check it out. It's in the description box below, the link. You can click and go and check out all the products that I have. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next as well, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you want to see next as well. So then I hope you have a great day today and I will see you next time. Bye.